Data Mining by Idesha Hawkins. This video was made by a student of secondary education for educational purposes only, to give you a general understanding of data mining. The information and pictures used have been collected and reiterated from other credible sources. By using this educational display, you are stating that you understand the above statement. What is data mining? The term data mining appeared around 1990. Data mining is a term used to describe discovering or mining knowledge from large amounts of data. Data mining is an artificial intelligence that incorporates mathematic methods to detect, sort through, and collect patterns and associations or relationships among all data. Data mining allows businesses to see historical patterns and predict trends or future outputs with the company. The data sources can include databases, data warehouse, the web, and other information repositories. How does it work? Data mining needs a dedicated database. It requires advanced degrees, and mostly large firms with a lot of data can benefit from it. Data warehouse is a company with centralized data on a database. It organizes segments of the data for specific users to analyze and utilize. Then there's data mining software, which analyzes relationships and patterns in database on what users request. There are 5 steps to data mining. First, organization, which collects and loads all the data into their warehouse. Second, the warehouse where the data is stored is managed. The data is either in-house servers or on the cloud. Third is the business analysis management teams and information technology professionals and access the data and determine how they want to organize it. Fourth, application software sorts through the data on the user results. Fifth, and finally, the end user presents the data in easy to share formats such as graph or table. How is it useful? Data mining provides us with hidden information that can be found useful. Anything you do over the internet, including social media, online purchases, and etc., can be tracked. This data can be sold to other companies for product placement, used to help companies understand what products should be available in certain areas. Companies can use data mining software to collect incoming data. Then that data can be collected and used to improve the company. For example, it can show internal relationship between things like price and product positioning, as well as external relationships between things like economic indicators and consumer demographics. What type of software is out there for data mining? There are many types of data mining software, each with their own strength and weakness. Depending on the software, it can be useful to a certain type or specific field or specific type of data. Some software includes, but is not limited to, Weka, Orange, Anaconda, Windows, and etc. What fields is data mining being used in? Healthcare. It can show the effectiveness of certain medicine and information like casualties. Banking. It can show patterns and correlations between business information. It can build customer portfolio and show past and current transactions. It can detect fraud. Economics. It can track consumer spending, marketing, promotions, advertising, and sales. It can predict purchase probability of a customer or show you how much more money you can make. Education can be used to improve student, teacher, and parent information access. It can be used to show progression of school or student, or to show patterns in alumni donations. Cons of data mining. Now, data mining is great and all, and is going to be a big part of our future, but there is some problems with it. One being mostly large firms with a lot of data can only benefit from it. Second, people are concerned that data mining invades their privacy. Also, that the data mining software can be manipulated or not accurate. Then lastly, digital information can be hacked, which can be detrimental to a company that has a lot of sensitive information or for personal use and your sensitive information get out there. So there's something that needs to be worked on that involves with cybersecurity. Thank you for watching my presentation on data mining. These are my references that I use to collect the data. If you have any questions, feel free to visit these websites.